Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here with RE/MAX Executives, and welcome to St. Vital. You are gonna love this property. If you are a handyman or you're looking for a fixer-upper, maybe a rental, maybe a first-time buyer, this house has a lot of potential and it's a great opportunity. We're talking 650 square feet, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's got a full unfinished basement. We've got lots of great updates going on here. We've got an updated roof, soffit, fascia, gutters, vinyl siding. We've got a beautiful yard, well treed. Inside, we've got a high efficiency furnace. We've got new central air. We've got a newer hot water tank. We've got 100 amp electrical, hardwood floors, crown molding. You're gonna love this place. Book your appointment. Check it out. Well, back to outside, you've got a lot of parking in the back, fire pit area, great space to finish out, maybe put a fence up in there. And check out beside the house, we've got a beautiful little garden area, fully fenced in to keep the rabbits out. Love to grow some tomatoes in here. Well, I guess that's going to conclude our tour here at 45 Sherwood Place. If you're anyone who knows any questions about this property, maybe you'd like to book your own private showing, give me a call, text, or email. Or maybe you can think of the perfect person for this property. Add their name to the comments below or click that share button. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, I want to be your realtor. I'm just like waving a lot, eh? Like I'm a conductor. Okay, let's go again.
What kind of thing?
Tomatoes, grow your tomatoes. And 1 and 2 and 3. Hey neighbor, Bigbenthiessen here.